Next is waterways. Waterways are the cheapest means of travel. So just like the railways, waterways is also considered as the cheapest means of travel. India is surrounded by water bodies on three sides. So as you know, in the southern part of India, it is a peninsular India and it is surrounded by three sides. Therefore, waterways have become an extremely important means of travel in India. So, due to the presence of water in the southern part of India, waterways has become an extremely important means of travel, so that we can transfer goods as well as people from one country to the other easily. It is used to transfer heavy goods like petroleum, iron ore, coal to other countries. So, what are the goods which are transferred from our country to the other country? They are petroleum, iron ore, coal to the other countries. And even from other countries also, different goods or heavy goods are transferred from that particular country to our India through waterways. Waterways are of two types. So even in the waterways, there are two varieties. First is inland waterways and other is oceanic waterways. In inland waterways, ships travel along water bodies such as river, canals and backwaters. So what do you mean by inwards waterways? Inwards water means ships which travel through water bodies such as river, canal and backwaters within India itself. That means, for example, if I want to export my any goods, maybe coal from Gujarat to Chennai, so how I will transfer? So we will use the inward waterways. That means inward waterways means travel the goods, or we can transport the goods from within India, or from one city to the other with the help of sea route. So this is known as inward waterways. And in oceanic waterways, ship travel across seas and ocean. So in the oceanic waterways, how the goods are traveled? They are travel through sea and ocean, and especially in the oceanic waterways, we transfer the heavy goods from one country to the another. So there is a difference between inward waterways and oceanic waterways. Inward waterways, we transfer the goods through rivers, canals and backwaters within our country itself. That means within India. Okay. But in oceanic waterways, we transfer the goods from one country to the other country, just like from India to Dubai, India to America, through sea and ocean. So this is the difference between inward waterways and oceanic waterways. And here you can see a ship carrying a goods. So in this ship, the goods are being carried and it will transfer to other places through sea or ocean.